In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove age restrictions on YouTube. Launch YouTube app on your device and then tap on profile icon at the bottom right. Then select settings, gear icon, and then tap on general. Look for restricted mode. And if it's turned on, switch it off to disable it. Restricted mode helps hide potentially immature videos, but not filter 100% accurate. If restricted mode is not visible or doesn't solve issue, tap on your profile picture and select Google account. Switch to your main Google account, tap on your profile picture again and select correct account from the list. In Google account settings, tap on personal info in the options row and scroll down to find your birthday information. And here ensure that your birthday is entered correctly and shows that you are over 18. To change it, simply click on date and update it if necessary. YouTube may restrict access to certain videos if you are below 18, based on date of birth on your Google account. After making changes, ensure to save them.